In September and October of 2023, we took a family trip. It was my father arranged the whole thing, and it was to go to Hawaii, the island of my birth, Oahu. I don't know if y'all knew that, but I was born on Oahu. And me and Jen and Ella and the rest of my family, we all went to places that were important to my mother and to my father. And, we got to see a bunch of places where I spent my childhood and places that were near and dear to my mom, including places that she painted.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we prepare for landing, please be sure that your seat backs are in their full upright position. Your tray tables are closed down to the key items that you have. Thank you. We'll be landing soon.
This is me and my brother when we first got, to Hawaii. We had a drink at the resort. It's me, first touch of the Pacific Ocean. And then that's my brother, my father, and me. You can see the family resemblance between me and my dad. And then the next morning, Jen and Ella, they were exhausted when we got there. This is me and my dad and my brother at Triple Army Hospital where I was born. This is the USS Arizona Memorial, of course. Floral Parade in Honolulu. Lots of incredible flowers on the way to Waimea Falls here. Me, Jen, and Ella at Waimea Falls. My mom's favorite places. This is Polly Lookout. My mom's favorite beach, Bellows. And then this is me and my brother at Bellows. This is Waimanaloa Beach, really close to Magnum PI, Robin's Nest. This is very close to Bellows. Couldn't get into Bellows this day, but had took Jen and Ella there. Still a beautiful beach, just on the other side of Bellows. This is my mom's painting, and this is Manoa Falls, which is just above Honolulu, and this is what it actually looks like in person. And Jen and Ella and I hiked to Manoa Falls. Probably one of the most important aspects of the trip is going to these falls to see what my mom painted. Until next time, Hawaii, and I know I want to go back, and so does Jen, and so does Ella.